Hello everyone, I'm Johnny Chang from the world of waterfalls, and in this video we're gonna go visit the Black Star Canyon Falls. Yeah, so we just go through, I guess, these foothills. I think this is why this place is so popular, so everybody can find it so easily. Alright, so here we are at the Black Star Canyon trailhead, and as you can see, on a Sunday morning it's already busy, and it's not even 8 a.m. By the way, Julie and Tahia are not doing this hike because they vowed never to do this hike again, so I got my mom with me today, getting ready for this hike. Yeah, everybody likes, well, this one because it's on the apps. That's why this is really popular, even though it's not easy.
It's in the city.
It's close to the city, yeah.
Oh, zero reception.
So you see 3 miles, 6 miles round trip.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah. I mean, this part of it is pretty straightforward.
Yeah, yeah.
Is when you get off road, that's when it gets tricky.
Yeah, the guy said like 7 and something miles out.
Yeah.
Looking. Oh, the cow.
Yeah. They see bighorn?
I don't know. What?
Oh. Oh, bird. Okay, I think we're getting close. There's a lot of water. So watch out for the mud. Here we are at the branch off point for the Black Star Canyon Falls. At this point, the trail, and it's, I think, I'm not sure how old the sign is, but now there's a sign, and it's pointing in this way, which actually deviates from this road over here that we used to take. We used to take all the way to, all the way from the trailhead. So that whole road was the Black Star Canyon Road, and now we're leaving the Black Star Canyon Road to pursue the Black Star Canyon Falls in the final mile.
Oh.
So now you see it's gonna start getting rough, right? Yeah, if we're slowing you down, you can go ahead.
You're good.
All right.
You're totally awesome. You're good. I get it, man. I get it.
Yeah. Was that rock loose? Oh yeah, this is loose. Huh. Well. Oh, on the knee. Yeah. I get it. A lot of creek crossings. Sometimes it's just easier to just go right through. Yep. That's why I say sometimes it's easier just to go right through. Yeah. Huh, looks like there's another way over there. I know on the way back, chances are we're not going to be taking the same way because I see other trails going this way and that way. Yeah, they all go to the same place, but everybody chooses their own way apparently. Oh yeah, this one's a little bit of a ledge. Yeah. A little bit hua. Oh, actually, this one a little bit narrow, right? It's okay. I think as long as you're supported, you're okay. This looks like flash floods carved this. Yeah, it took away all the soft dirt and this is what's left.
Oh, look at the animal.
Yeah.
Oh, this is way.
Yeah. Right. Or you can climb those rocks like that guy did. I mean, there's a trail over there too. It's really up to you which way you want to go. I would go on the right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. Is it safe over there? Okay. Yeah, very steep, right? Yep, I remember this. Oh, if worse comes to worse, you can sit and scoot. Yeah. Yeah, well, it's steep. It's going around these boulders.
Yeah, there was a guy, he just tried to get up this way, he couldn't, so he came this way.
So this way's easier?
I don't know, I didn't try that way, but
Okay.
as long as you don't fall right here, yeah, that's the trail.
There's a path, I think it's better.
I see. Oh, I see. I got you. I got you.
Like you are going down the mountain.
Yeah. Yeah.
There are 2 ways to go.
Yep, yep. Choose your own adventure. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Another ledge over here. Oh, that part is also a ledge. Maybe on the way back we can do that, but Got it? Got it? All right. Better? Okay. There's some footholds on these. Yeah, that, well, no, there's more. This is not the real waterfall. Yeah, go up the middle. Yeah. That doesn't look right. I think you have to go up the wedge. Up the, there's a bouldering there. It's a bit of a climb there. They put graffiti there too. That's funny. All right, this is gonna be maybe behind you and up. If you want to go around this thing. Either way, it's uncomfortable because you have to go up through the trees and then up to there. So it's up to you. Yeah, it is a big step. Yeah. All right, I'll just do this then. Okay. Did you see how I did that step? Okay. Yeah, it's a little steep here, but that's a little bit narrow. I think we have to cross. Yeah. Actually, that's not too bad. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going down.
Yeah.
Yeah, but going down because there's no people there.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Oh, hi.
Get that rope out of your stick. Here you go. Yep. Here, let me here, let me help. Got it? Yeah.
You may want to take the sticks out. Okay. You want me to hold the sticks?
Go. Go. I got you.
You're good at being the hand.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I remember this too. This one's pretty slippery. Huh. Or you can go their way. That way's less steep. If you're already wet, you can just go that way. Nice little waterfall here. That's a high rock, huh? I think this way was a little bit harder than the rope way. Oh yeah, this is not an easy one. Okay, give me your stick. Alright, so here we are at the Black Star Canyon Falls. It took us about roughly 3 hours to get here from the trailhead. Check out that waterfall. And there's also a nice little rainbow here. And check this out. My mom made it. 70 years old. You're okay, as long as you can have your seat down there. Yeah. Watch out, rock coming. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, you have to sit and scoot this part. I'm gonna sit and scoot it. Okay. Yeah. Sit and scoot, and I can help you put your foot. Huh? Okay. And then just, yeah, and then stand. Okay, be careful, it's a little bit slick here. And you have one foot here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna sit and scoot this part. Yep. It might be a little high, you might have to go around. You may, yeah, sit and scoot is probably the safest thing here. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, just make sure you lean on the left on here then. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm not too keen on this part. Yeah. Okay. Let me get out of your way. And make sure you hold on to this part up here. You have a hand grip right here. Yeah. And then you have to take one, yeah, put your left foot there and then take one step towards wet over there. Right there, good, okay. You got it, you got it. Yep. Okay. I need to get out of your way then. You need help to me to pull you up? Huh. Okay. Yeah, this part's a bit slick.
Help.
What's that?
Help.
Oh, I'm okay. I'm actually, I gotta help my mom.
If you want, I can help you with just carry this for you.
No one gets your joke.
They all left for it.
Might have to go backwards on this one. Yeah. Okay.
You want my hand?
Hold on.
Give me your hand.
Wait.
Well, she needs to put her.
Yeah, I need to release it.
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
Sorry, he's trying to be
That's
helpful.
okay. I got it. Okay. Just
Take your
stop
time.
it.
Take your time. Take your time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Got it.
Okay, you're
Yeah. Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, if there's no grip, you have a flat area there. You're okay. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Huh, interesting. All right, so we made it back to the Black Star Canyon Road after a bit of a steep scramble. Not steep, but slippery, wet, kind of messy boulder mud scramble back from the Black Star Canyon Falls. And so the rest of the remaining 2.5 miles or so is going to be pretty smooth sailing. Now, if you are not keen on hiking the Black Star Canyon Road, behind me is a bunch of people who parked their bikes. So they would bike the Black Star Canyon Road and then do the scramble, and that knocks off a pretty good chunk of the hike, about 5 miles, I think. Anyways, should be smooth sailing the rest of the way. Vehicles. These guys look like they work for the ranch. And that cop is making sure. Is that a cop or is that just somebody parking there? It's a cop, yeah. All right, so we're back at the Black Star Canyon trailhead, and I'm proud to say that Mom made it.